This is not gonna work. Watch me get like something like crazy. Okay guys, today's video is gonna be me spending more money. That's gonna be fun. Not really, not for me. For you guys it'll be pretty fun. So lately on my TikTok feed I've been seeing these videos about Hybe. I'll just put one like right here. I actually made one about it, so I'll just put my video right there so I can get copyrighted. That'll be great. So I made a little video about this Hybe stuff because I've been seeing it a lot lately, and what happens is all the videos that I've seen, people will buy like a $5 box or like a $3 box and they'll get like stuff worth like 25 bucks or 30 or 50. I actually saw a video once where a guy got the top item, it was worth like $1,000. So I tried it and I got the lowest item. It was worth 1 cent more than the box, and to sell it or get rid of it, it costs, you don't make any money, you lose money. So we're gonna try it again on camera and we're gonna see if it actually works. So I have my computer right here. I didn't really want to screen record it, but I don't know. Is the microphone on? Okay, thank goodness, because last time I filmed the entire video, the microphone was off. So let me just log in right here. Let me just log in, continue with Google, blah blah blah. I'm just gonna like skip through this part. Let's see, it's that email. Okay, we're in. Alright, so I used the promo code, so I actually have 40, gosh dang it. So I actually have 44 cents on here. So yeah, we're going to top up 10 bucks with a G2A pay, I believe. I believe that's how you do it. So we're gonna plop my money into that. Just so you guys can't see my card number. Just gonna put $10 in there. Pay with cards. Okay, now just let me put my information in. I'll be right back. Alrighty, boys. Now I have $11. It's kind of weird. I could have sworn I didn't have $11. I mean, I would have had like 10. You know what? It's fine. Whatever. Okay. So, let's see. Which one should we open? I've seen a lot of people opening the Hybe budget. Let's just open this box and see like what happens. Just kind of like zoom in on her, just so you guys know this is like live. Let's go lift the lid of the box. Oh boy, oh boy. Okay, I'm not looking at this, so you guys get to see it first. Huh, okay, that's actually the first time I've ever gotten something that is worth $1. Let it focus. That is worth $1.37. I've actually never gotten that before. Let's just exchange that. That was a voice crack. Yeah, so I've only unboxed $2.46 worth of stuff. My name's Colty G, boys. Drop rank, whatever. Okay. Where do I go? Just click Hybe again? Yeah, okay. Let's see, another box that I've seen people do is, I've seen people do this Hybe box, just like seeing if this actually works. Okay, I'm not looking, I'm gonna be talking to you guys. So the first time I was actually, hold up, let's just open it. Instant unbox. So yeah, that's the first time I've ever gotten something like more expensive than the box. Oh, here we go. 203. So technically that is worth more than the box. But look at this. So I bought the box for $2.01, I believe. So the item is worth $2.03, which is more than the box. So that's good. That's good. I'm gonna probably be really zoomed in. Let me just, how do I look during it? Oh yeah, I'm like super zoomed in. Okay, so that would actually be good. However, it only sells for 81 cents. And then you get like these fire points. Let me just like, there we go. Okay, so you can only sell for like 81 cents and you get like these little fire points. So let's just exchange that. And then you come over here to this shop button, use points to get goodies. You honestly cannot get anything. So like Why is my mouse not working? Boys, that's not good. Okay, so like, so you use points to claim drop top ranking. So like, let's just click on that and see what happens. How many points do you want to use? I'll be 18,000. No, I'll be 1,800. So like, technically, I would think that's pretty good. I don't know what you compete for. I mean, right here, for 100,000, you get like a little crown on your username. What? No. Like, that's just stupid. Okay, we're gonna try a few more times. I've seen people get some really good stuff out of this fear of God kind of thing. This one's $5. This one's a little expensive. All right, boys, you guys are gonna see it first. Boys and girls, here we go. I'm not looking. Okay, so that's $6.10, but it only sells for $2.44. So like, that's like, honestly, like trash. Like, that's just garbage, right? So we'll just click X on that. Let's see. Let's do popular sneakers. See, is there one that's like $7 we can do? This one should be good. Or this one. Let's do this one, this sneaker and off-white one. So it's gonna be like complete trash, guaranteed. I'm gonna get the lowest item worth like $6.20. Not looking. Oh yeah, got a sticker. $6.42, but it only sells for $2.40. So like, see, like, that's just trash. Let's see if we can do anything on this $1 Hybe budget box. I want to see if buying it repetitively does anything good. So I'm gonna look at this one. Okay, nothing. Exchange. Complete trash. Wow, I'm actually super duper pissed now. So what happened was, I was recording and I didn't really look. I don't know how many boxes I just did with the card being full on my camera. Perks of having a 32 gigabyte and not wanting to invest in a bigger card. So yeah, I don't think I got anything good from that. So that doesn't. Okay, the camera just stopped recording again automatically, just because I don't know, my camera's just being a really big boof. Alright, so I think I just bought a Hybe budget box. What did I just get? I don't know what I just got. Okay, the recording just keeps on stopping automatically. I have no idea what's going on. So if it just stops like automatically, like, I don't even know. Okay, so we're gonna open this budget box. I'll tell you guys what I get, just in case it like stops recording again. Something. Ah, boom. Okay, so nothing. Okay, so how Hybe works is, once, I'll probably just show you guys on this next item. So what you do is, what happens when you get an item that you like, you click like continue or something like that, like try again, I believe. And then what happens is you go to your shopping cart, and the item was like, oh, this item sells for $6. I'm like, oh, that's kind of dope. I only spent $4 on the box, so I could make some money off this. Like have somebody buy it or something. But it charged me $7 for shipping, and I was like, then I would make negative money, and I'm not trying to lose money on this. I mean, I already spent $10 on this piece of junk anyways, so not really worth my time. However, let's see if this box gives me anything. Okay, that's 3 in a row, boys. Let's see if we can get 4 in a row. Like, geez, that is just awful. Like, let's see what's in this box. So I've actually seen somebody get like the top item. Like, I've seen somebody get that. $600, bro. Like, that's nice. I'm down here getting these. Like, bro, I gotten those. I've had these too. But, like, at least give me, like, I don't know, like this little thing right here, this LCD display. Okay, let's open this 2 more times, I believe. Maybe 3, depending on how much we get. Boom! Another silicone case cover. My AirPods broke, so I don't need that. Okay, we're gonna do a cool gadgets box, just in case. $0.99. Actually, that one was not awful. I would have made like a few cents off that. but if you had to pay for shipping, you would have made no money at all. So, meh. Okay, let's see if this works again. Silicone case, yep, alrighty. Oh, this time it's a different color, kind of cool. Okay. Now let's try one more time. I'm just trying to see if like doing it over and over again gets a different thing or a better thing. And apparently it is not, because I just got the silicone case again. So now we have 147. Great, can't buy anything. 147, I can only do the high budget, pretty sure. Yeah. Okay, this is not gonna work. Watch me get like something like crazy. No, I'm just kidding. I got the chicken toy for $1.09. It's literally the lowest item you could ever get. Great. Now I have 83 cents. Let's just get rid of it. Spend this on the cool gadgets. And we got shocker gum. Wow. Like, bruh, come on. So now I have 59 cents. Can't do anything about it. I do want to see what this upgrade ranking is. How many points do you want to use? I want to use all my points, homies. $9.99. Oh. That's as many points as I could use. Congrats. Top drop. What is this? Let's see what this is. Monthly contest ends in... Whoa. Holy cow. Homie. That is a lot of points. Wow, you just got that? Whoa. Cool. So yeah, I've never gotten any of these things. Let's see, can I upgrade ranking? There we go. Now I'm in 500th place. Dope. 532nd place. Cool. Top 20 participants receive a free reward. Dude, like, no, like this is just visit Hybe and chill. Claim my box. Oh, we got a free box. Okay, let's see if this gives me anything decent. Wow. That was awful. That was awful. That was just wow. Wow. That was just awful. I opened 10 boxes though, so I have 500 more points. Let's just use all of them. Why will it not let me use them? This is not happy. I'm not happy with my purchase. I just spent $10 on this stupid website. Yay, now I'm 400th place. Not cool at all. I'm probably like really sweaty on camera. It probably doesn't look very good. Hybe loyalty. Shop on Hybe will shower you with affection. Get tons of fire points. Check the channel. Okay, yeah, no, doesn't matter to me. How it works. You get scammed. No funny. Yeah, I know, but it is not funny at all. Basic drop and dope are the only ones I've ever gotten. I've never gotten anything above dope. So all in all, Hybe, I believe, yeah, is a scam. I mean, like, it's a fun thing to do. But yeah, I would not recommend spending your money unless you're gonna spend like $50 on like the big boxes. I would not like recommend doing this. This is just awful, dude. Like, unless you're gonna spend $300 on this Louis collection, where literally the lowest item is $310. I mean, like, you're bound to get something decent. But I'm not gonna spend $300, so yeah, a scam for sure.